see what we got here. We got two SA-12. He's got them in a 2 cubic foot sealed box that he got from a shitty local audio shop. Kid didn't want to listen to me. Here's the subs. This one is pretty damaged, if you can see this. Yeah, you see that? When they were at the shop he brought them to, screwing them in, yep. And after a while, being in such a small box, having that whole surround tore, as you can see, about halfway around. Like I said, this one's fine, so this is gonna stay like this. Got the recone kit coming in soon. See where we can play around with this woofer. It's not blown. Let's see if we get a good shot of the coil. Yeah, it's still pretty coppery. It's not blown. It's kind of sad to see such a good woofer have to get dismantled in such good condition, but guess we'll just wall socket it, huh? Make for a good video. Okay, we got our rig wired up here. Got it wired down to 2 ohms. Let's see what we can get out of this thing. Let's see this thing go, huh? Let me just make sure. Okay. It took about a minute of it. Whew. Take a look at this. Oh wow, it's not even warm. It stinks though. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, you can hear the coil all unwound in there. You can actually see it. Kind of see it. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but you can kind of see the coil at the bottom of the motor. Whew. Damn. I'm not gonna lie, it did get pretty loud. Look at all that smoke. Oh yeah, thing is definitely shot. You can hear it. Yeah. Spider is still 100% intact. Leads not even burnt.